And a tool that I really love is called Trello. Okay. Trello is this visual style of project management where projects are organized in cards and they can be assigned to different people. And then you can move these cards across these swim lanes to help designate what and where a project is. Okay. Now, Trello for individuals is free. They do have a premium account for businesses if there's something you need. But in my opinion, it's probably the overall best of these Kanban style. Let's go ahead and take a look at what this looks like. All right. So here is an example of a Trello board, and this is a general business plan. Okay. Individual projects are represented by these little cards, and these little cards you can click on and they'll have more information. For example, we could see a description. Sometimes, for example, they might have a checklist associated with them, and we can add additional information about it. So if we have different steps for this particular project. Now, the other big thing about Kanban style is this idea of swim lanes. Projects are distinguished into little cards. That little card represents a task or a story. And then what we do is we pick up these little cards and we move them from these different swim lanes to wherever they happen to be, and they progress across. And you might have, for example, your first swim lane might be your backlog, which is stuff to be done. Your next one is stuff you're currently working on. And then you might have a swim lane, for example, to be completed. But I really like this visual approach in terms of managing projects. I think, at least from my way of thinking, it works very effectively for me.